Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Let's start. First, open CapCut. Go to New Project and select one video and photo. Now select Format 9:16. Adjust photo and video to full screen. Delete the end part. Now add audio. Audio link is given in the description. Now set video duration to 4.8 seconds. And set photo duration to 3.2 seconds. Now you need PicsArt. Open PicsArt. Skip the ad. Tap on plus icon and go to edit a photo. Add one photo. Go to Tools and then to Crop. Crop it to square photo. Now go to Effects. Slide left to Paper and choose any effect you like. Now save this photo. Now come back and add template. Template link is given in the description. Now add saved photo over a template. Now slide left to border. Tap inside and turn down the outer and inner settings to 0. Now tap outside and turn the outer setting to 4 and inner to 0. Now adjust the photo to white background. Now save this photo. Now come back to CapCut. Now add an overlay over a photo. Go to Overlay and add template you made. Set the photo duration to 3.2 seconds. Now adjust the photo to small size. And place it on bottom of the right side. Now apply animation. Tap on Combo and apply Pendulum 1 effect to the photo. And apply Pendulum 2 effect to overlay photo. Now check. Now you can export. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.